While you're using Windows, you might want to get back to the desktop quickly. There's a few ways you can do this. You could use the Windows key and D. You could also click the shortcut at the right hand side of the taskbar, as you can see here. Another way you could do it is, I've got some code in my description below. If you take that code, copy it, and then right click on your desktop and then click create new shortcut, and then paste the file path into the box that appears. This then creates a shortcut which you can use and drag down to your taskbar. So then this taskbar little icon, you can click on it and that will reveal your desktop. So another quick way of getting to your desktop. You could also modify this icon if you wanted to by right clicking on it and then click properties followed by change icon, and at the bottom choose an icon to use, then click OK, and that way you can have a more distinctive icon that stands out, so then you can use that. So this is just another quick tip, so another quick way to access your desktop from your computer if you've got something else on your screen, your browser or a program, etc. Just another quick way there. So just another quick tip for you. So anyway, as always, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye bye.